Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the urbannova professional styling hair dryer. So this is called the professional styling tool. This is a low noise hair dryer designed by urbannova. It's also a 2000 watt hair dryer that's mentioned over here. This is also a picture of this particular dryer. You can see what it's going to look like. And what else we have? We have much information here. Not really, it just says low noise designed by urbannova. The lifespan of this hair dryer is prolonged by 2 times the normal one. Powerful wind and concentrated capital. And that's it. This is all the information on the box. Let's just open it and show you what's inside. These are the components of this particular box. We have this one document, which is basically the description of this particular device, as you can see. Have a look. Here it says artistic ergonomical design, 2 heat setting, 2 speed setting, professional copper cable, length 2.8 meter. We'll just talk about this one. And patented heat shielding technology, cold nozzle body even after long usage, detachable black filter, infrared radiance technology equipped with state-of-the-art air conditioning ion emitter. And then there's some safety instruction on this side. That's more or less with the document. So these are the 2 nozzles in question, the cold nozzle and basically 2 cold nozzles. And this is the hair dryer. This is a pretty massive hair dryer. Zoom out just a bit to show you the entire thing. It comes with this very thick 2.8 meter long cable. This particular hair dryer has a piano black finish. It also has this red dot right over here. These are the speed and the temperature setting buttons. One is for speed, this is for speed and powering up, and this is for your temperature. Okay, anything else? It has this nice ergonomic grip as well. It's really nice and secure grip. So the nozzles go over here and then you can use it to your preferences. And you can pick which nozzle you want to use at what time. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the urbannova professional styling hair dryer. Thank you for watching.